Hey guys, Chrisp Shifts here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your loose, sloppy, wet noodle. Now if we take a look in the back of the owner's manual, it says to use 10 or 40 moms in the transmission. And while technically this 10 would work just fine in the transmission, it doesn't have any synchros for the synchros. But that's why I'm using Honda manual transmission fluid. So it's an upgraded fluid, and it'll work much better because this is probably this sure costs more than I paid for this car. And the whole point of this build is to spend a ton of money. So I'm gonna show you we could get amazing results with a less budget-friendly shifter. All right, so that way is the front of the car. The oil pan is right here, and then we have our transmission. This is the exhaust, and if you take a look, you can see this is our transmission. So we're gonna replace the seal to fix this. If you take a look, now these right here are the transmission shift dry rod. And as I rode through your loose, sloppy, wet noodle, you can see this is leaking pretty good over here. So the technique is to wrap it around the shaft and work it back and forth like this. You can see we have less than an inch or 2 centimeters. Now don't let this scare you. This is super easy to do, and it should take less than a minute, and I'm not even pulling hard. To give it a good shake, so with our transmission full, one last thing we need to do under this car is remove all this rust and prevent it from coming back, because look at how crusty this is. Remember to give it a blend special. If you're not a subscriber, definitely hit that subscribe button to see more Chrisp Fix.